Okay, I'm going to run this for 5 minutes and see how we go. There's me tub, 27 litre. I paid $10 for it at some shop. Why 27 litre? It's the smallest one I could find, which would probably do the job, because I intended to go in where there's no water. I take my own water, so the bigger the tub is, more water I've got to carry out, and it's heavy. I use 14 litres of water for my setup. It's not going to last forever because you put dirt in, put too much just dirt rather than gravel. There goes your water, turns dark brown and thick and no good no more. But anyway, this is the tub I got, and I had to gather bits and pieces to suit, and this is pretty much here everything that is needed, and a few other bits and pieces like the batteries and that, speed controllers, they're inside. I will show them on another clip, but this is how it sets up, from very basic. I stripped everything to bits and pieces, like a bucket full of stuff here. I don't know if you're picking this up, this is video glasses, sun spying on people. Anyway, so I'm using that, so I might not be showing exactly what I'm looking at. I tried my best. Anyway, this is all my stuff here. We start with the tub. Okay, fair enough. Recycling sluice. Where does the water go in this tub? I'll just put this timer thing over there, so when that beeps I have to stop and then. Okay, how can we sort this out now? So there's 14 litres of water goes in there. I want to be able to, this bucket's going to fill up with my tailings, and I don't want to empty it out, water, everything like that. So I need to put some sort of a system. This is what I come up with, right? I'll get this over here. I'll start with the pump. This is the pump. I think I paid $22 for this one. You know, you shop around on the internet. This is a 1100 GPH. Whether it is that or not is irrelevant. It does what I need it to do. So that's going to have, this pump sits in this bucket. The idea is not to, I don't want to disturb the water all the time, so it the fine clay particles upset things, so I want them to sit at the bottom of this and not disturb. I'll put this pump here for now. Then get this wires. It's the wires for the. Here's a tub. I found this come out of a fridge or something like that. You could make this out of metal if you know how to do that sort of stuff, to be perfect. But this pretty much fits nicely. It goes in there like that. I'm going to fits like that. Okay. Now in there goes another tub, and then in there goes another tub, which is this little thing here. Now, what happens? I've got a sluice happening here. A sluice is happening here, and it will tip the water, and the tailings will go into this tub. I call it a tub. It's a glass with a tin can. Why a tin can? The glass was too small, too short. This tin can lifts it up to how high I need it to be. The height it needs to be is above the water level. My water level is going to be up to there. I put in 14 litres of water. Oh, look at that. 14 litres of water handy here. That's useful. I get my 14 litres of water. What I do? I'm pouring it in here, because then you can see what's going on. It's clear water, so you should be able to see. Whoops, losing it. Put some in there. more in there. Footing. This is just to show. I'll have to put, you see everything's floating. Anyway, that's 14 litres of water. I don't need that anymore. This air got in it. Air got to it. Oh, there goes my buzzer. I'm going to leave this for now. And I'll be back in it. Do a bit of editing and that. And I'll explain it a little bit further. Okay. Put this off.